Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Charizard from Pokemon. He is one of my favorite Pokemon characters and super fun to draw. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm using a Sharpie, but you can use a pencil if it helps, as this drawing is a little bit more complicated. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to start by drawing the horns. So we're going to draw a curved line going up and then back down for the horn. Now we're going to draw the other horn. We're going to draw a curved line going up and back down. Now right here, I'm just going to curve this line down at an angle. This is where the eye comes in. So following this next step, you're just going to draw a line coming out from here and go out. And this is going to form the shape of the mouth. Now I'm going to hop over from this point. I'm going to hop over, and from this point I'm going to draw a line going this way. Now going back to this point, we're going to continue this line and we're going to go up right over here. So you don't want to connect it to this line. From here, we're going to draw a line and connect it here. Now let's add a curved line here and a curved line here. And we do want to go in and draw the fangs, the teeth. So we're going to draw a curved line there and then a curved line here, and we don't need to draw the other side. Let's go in and draw the eyes. Let's draw a line here and then bring it this way. And let's draw another line here. That's going to form one eye. And then we're just going to draw a curved line inside and then a little pupil right in there. Now I'm going to go across here, draw a line, draw a curved line, and a little pupil. This eye is going to be a little bit smaller than this one. When you're ready, we're going to draw a curved line right over here. Now we're ready to draw the neck. We are going to draw a curved line going down. And let's go to the other side. And we're going to make our line a little bit shorter. So right in the middle over here between the two teeth, we're going to draw a curved line just like that. Should be shorter than this side. Now let's go ahead and draw the shoulder. So we're going to draw a line right here, followed by a curved line going down. From this point, we're going to bring it out a little bit. And then let's go right underneath and draw the whole arm. So all we need to do is draw a curved line right about there. Now this is going to be an L shape. So let's go ahead and draw a line coming up. And then right over here, there's a little curved line. Now this is where we're going to draw the hand. I'm just going to draw a little line coming out here, followed by a curved line, going back down, followed by another bumpy line, followed by another bumpy line. Let's go inside and we're going to draw a curved line right there. And now we need to add the claws. So let's go right in here and draw a line here and a line going back up. And we're just going to repeat that over here. Line coming down, line going back up. And right here, line coming down, line going back up. Now the next thing we need to do is we're going to hop over to the other side and we're going to draw the other arm. So I'm just going to, from this point, go across and I'm going to draw a line right over here for the other shoulder and arm. And let's see, I'm going to extend this a little bit. And right underneath here, I'm going to draw another line. When you're ready, we're going to draw a line going up this way. And same thing on the bottom, we're going to draw a line going back up. Now we're ready to draw the hand on this side. So again, we're going to draw a bumpy line, followed by another bumpy line, followed by another bumpy line. Now, before I connect to the arm, we're going to go back inside and draw the claws. So again, curved line, and then on this claw, I'm just going to draw a curved line here, like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to draw one curved line here. And when I'm ready, I'm going to draw a curved line here and connect. Let's go inside and draw a curved line right there. Okay, now that we're done with the arms, we need to go back in and draw the wings. So let's go ahead and draw, starting from the shoulder, we're going to draw a big curved shape line. So let's draw a little line here. And now I'm going to draw a big curvy line going up to right about below the horn. So this would actually help. We're going to place a dot right over here. And from this point, we're going to draw a curved line going all the way up to that point. So just like that. When you're ready, let's draw a line coming down. And now we're going to go out this way. Now we need to draw a curved line coming down. So I'm actually going to draw a line here. And then we're going to curve it a little bit more going back down. And that's the shape of your wing. Let's go back in here and add a curved line right over here. And from this point, we're going to draw another curved line. And then we're going to go back in right over here. Let's go ahead and draw a curved line right over here. And we're just going to follow that line, go around, and follow the line for the wing. And then we're going to go all the way back down. So this is the shape of your wing. And now we're just going to draw a curved line right over here. And there's one side of your wing. Now let's go to the other side. We're going to draw a curved line right over here. followed by another wavy line. Go back up. And we want to make sure it's in line with this wing. So we're just going to go back up a little bit and then make a U shape. And we're just going to curve this line and come back down to right about there. Be a little bit longer. When you're ready, we're going to draw a curved line and attach it to the hand. Okay, now let's go ahead and add this outer layer on the wing. We're just going to follow that curved line and then go back down and attach it to this shoulder. When you're ready, let's draw a curved line here, and you can actually connect it. Okay, so we're done with the first half of Charizard. Now we need to draw the legs and the tail and some fire coming out from the mouth and the tail. We're going to come back up here and we're going to draw a curved line right over here. And then we're going to draw a line coming out here for the claw. We're going to go back in, come back out, go back in, come back out, go back in, and let's finish off those claws using a curved line. There. Now we're going to draw a curved line coming back up, curve it, and attach it. Now we're ready for the tail. So we just want to draw a big curved line right over here. So I'm going to start here. We are ready for the tail. So I'm actually going to start at the bottom here. So this underneath the belly line, that's where the tail is going to continue. So we're just going to draw a line here. Make sure it's aligned with this side. Now we're going to draw a curved line here. And then we're going to add a curved line here for the tip of the tail, and then we're going to curve it all the way back here. It might be easier if you start here. Just place the point right here and then go around and connect it to here. So let's give that a try. We're going to draw. Sometimes it helps if you take your pencil and you're not actually putting anything down, you're just kind of using your wrist to, you're just practicing with your wrist. That way when you go to make the line, it's a lot easier because you're used to the movement. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to draw a curved line and attach it. Okay, when you're ready, we're going to draw the underneath part of the tail. So we're going to continue this line over here and connect it. Okay, now we're ready for the fire, our final step, and we're almost done. Let's go and draw a curved line here. And then we're going to draw another curved line. And then we're going to go back in, come back out, go back in, come back out, go back in, and then just attach it using a curved line to the body, to the tail. Now, last thing, we need to add some fire coming out from the mouth here. So again, I'm going to use some curved lines, some zigzag lines. So from right over here, we're going to draw a curved line, go back up, Let's go back in. Let's go back up. Let's go back in. Go up, come down, and we're just going to repeat using curved lines. And we're just going to go back out and in. And then from here, I'm just going to draw a curved line and connect. Now, when you go in and add color to this, you can make it look a lot more like fire. I hope you guys enjoyed drawing Charizard with me. Let's come back and see what the final version looks like. Okay guys, here's the final colored in version. I did use my iPad. You guys can use anything you have at home. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like and subscribe and share with someone that you love or care about, as it does help the channel grow. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!